Introduction to DC machines. In this, DC machines contains six classifications: overview of direct current machine, construction, principle of operation, types of DC machines, power flow diagram, speed control. Among these topics, we just look at overview of direct current machine. Okay, in this direct current machine or DC machine having two classifications. One is DC motor, another one is DC generator. Both motor and generator can have from the DC machine. Just we have to know about DC machine operation. In this DC machine having two different categories of construction wise. One is stator, another one is rotor. Stator always being at stable. Rotor is a rotating portion. This stator receive the input from where they given across that machine. After receiving this power supply, it will energize and give a proper supply into the rotor shapes. This rotor having some internal arrangements, that internal arrangements mentioned on this. It consisting number of segments, insulation between segments, insulation between commutator and copper segments, then coil insulation, iron core, ball bearings. So many features connected across this rotor machine. Okay, this rotor of a DC motor will inject within it of stator with poles visible. This is DC machine construction. Okay, after we having this DC machine construction, we need to approach DC motor. DC motor always receive electrical supply. This electrical supply may converted into mechanical supply by their own working principles. Then DC generator, we have to substitute or supply mechanical energy across this, which is converted into proper electrical energy according their generation operation. Both condition comes from this DC machines. So this DC machines similar to AC machines operation, they have voltage and current with them. Okay, before we are going to see DC generator, we must know about the simple construction of magnetic induction in DC machine. This DC machine having magnet ahead of this coil, loop coil. Behind of this loop coil, one shaft is there. With the shaft, one slip ring, and under the slip ring having brushes. Okay, this brushes connected with input supply of wire. Okay, this is setup of DC generator. This DC generator machines receive mechanical energy which is converted into electrical energy, that means DC voltage and current, by using the principle of magnetic induction. Okay, example, it consisting the wire loop, it have been connected to slip rings and mounted on the shaft, while the shaft having brushes. Under the connection of brushes are used to carry the current from the loop to the outside of the circuit. Next, we move on DC motor. DC motor, maximum used household appliances. This DC motor receive electrical supply which is converted into mechanical supply okay, or mechanical energy in the manner of speed controlling. Okay, already we had seen construction of DC machine. It contained two, one is stator with poles visible, another one is rotor with DC motor. This construction carrying the DC machine with the power supply through the brushes. That brush notification also noted under the construction of DC machine. This is construction of DC machine layout diagram. Look at this diagram, it's clear picture for you all. An outline having magnets are north pole and south pole. The name which is stator non-moving coil. Inside of this stator non-moving coil, armature coils are wounded with the armature coil called a rotor. It is a rotating part. Along with rotor, brushes are connected to receive the current from the stator. The brushes is very important one of here. Okay, this is construction of DC machines. Next class we will see the armature of this DC machines and each and every portion of this DC machines clearly.